So the first thing we wanted to do with this Bronco is build it as a daily driver. Something that you could go to work in and go out as a weekend warrior and play on the trails. So we've got the Bronco all loaded up on the trailer, heading up to Michigan. First stop, the Fox factory. We're gonna install a 2-inch zone lift and 37-inch tires on this Bronco. So today we're up here in Coldwater, Michigan at the Zone Offroad R&D department. We've got our brand new Bronco behind us here. We're gonna tear it apart and we're gonna put a brand new lift kit on it. We met up with Kern. He's gonna take us through the steps of putting a brand new Zone Offroad lift on this 2021 Bronco. Can't wait to see what this thing looks like with a set of 37s under it.
Hi, this is Kern from Zone Offroad. We're here at the 2021 Ford Bronco. Now this is Kenny Hauk's Ford Bronco from Hauk Machines. We're gonna do a zone 2-inch front leveling kit and 1-inch rear kit on it. This will make it sit dead level. Fit clearance up to 37-inch tires if you want. Now that we got it in here, start tearing it apart. Let's get it up in the air, get some bigger tires on it, that way we can go have some fun with it.
So the goal with this Bronco is to clear 37-inch tires. In order to do that, we only really need about 2 inches of lift. We're gonna achieve that with this Zone Offroad 2-inch spacer lift. Now eventually, as Fox continues with their R&D, they're gonna be coming out with a brand new set of coilovers for this project. We're gonna be putting those on and putting those to the test real soon. So in order to get this 2-inch poly spacer in, it's very easy. We're gonna pull this strut out from the top and the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and put this spacer on the top, pop it back in place, and she's good to go. So in addition to putting in the 2-inch spacers for added lift on our Bronco, we went ahead and replaced the upper A-arm as well with this BDS unit. The nice thing about that, it adds a lot of strength, and with its uniball design, it adds for a lot of flexibility, and it allows us to align the vehicle properly and get it back into factory spec.
The Bronco being a brand new platform, there is a lot of things that people want to try to figure out what the suspension can do, how to put bigger tires under it. And we were excited to get our hands on it early and bring it into our shop, develop the lift kits. It's a strut spacer that goes all the way around to reuse the factory struts. It maintains the factory ride. It actually just amplifies the performance so you can fit a larger tire off-road.
So at Hauk Off-Road, we're coming out with a complete line of off-road products. Our front and rear bumpers, we're gonna be doing rocker armor, full skid plate system, snorkel intake system. We're really excited to get this new Bronco platform. I think it's gonna be a really good product that's gonna be off-road a lot, give Jeep some competition, which they need, and we're super excited to see how this Zone Off-Road lift works out on the trail. So the results are in. We just finished installing our Zone 2-inch lift. It rides fantastic. It made perfect clearance for the 37-inch BF Goodrich tires and Raceline wheels. If you want to see more on this build, tune into Digital Lug and watch the latest episodes of Hauk Machines.